Alright, see how he turning it? The car is gonna follow wherever his phone is. The car is gonna come straight in. Alright.
Well, it's not done reach already. Is it? Is
No,
it?
he controlling it. He's controlling it. Yeah.
But like it's stuck out. Am I trying to destroy the car?
No. I'll take you right. Yeah.
Oh, that car is something else.
I was following it then, right?
Yeah, that's a nice one like that.
Don't you not mind nobody here for me?
But you going that slow though?
You can make it go faster.
Alright, let me see if I have his number. I don't know if I have his number. Yeah. Let me see if I have his number. Let's see. Yeah, but let him not know home. If it's anything, tell him if he's coming and don't get to the step. I know he's
Yeah. I saw them. I saw it on YouTube already, you know, but I've already seen it in person.
Oh, okay. Them text me if you don't get there when you call now.
I got 50, 60,000. About, that's probably about like 50 something. Because I just put it in the car like self driver.
So I will come with the app, right?
Yeah, the app and the control and everything. So,
Hey! I'm on like a rebel too.
What the fella's going to do, right?
yeah. Them are the remote control ones.
What is that?
You do like what Kevin and them have? Them have the ones that like gas and stuff.
But the Brian, they mail all that thing for Keith.